Okay, so we've got a 2020 Suzuki Switf Sport Automatic 5-door hatchback in a nice pearl white. Travelled 29,000 kilometres. Got the sensors there as well, alloy wheels, tinted windows. Just an absolutely immaculate car, just as you would expect with 29,000 Ks. Got the radar cruise there too. Take a look at the interior. So we've got multi-function steering wheel, that's cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity, obviously airbags as well, 29,000 Ks. Got the touch screen there, climate air conditioning, automatic transmission. Just been detailed, the seats are immaculate. Got the side airbags there as well. There's your back seat there, all looking very good. I'll just show you inside the boot as well. Got the floor mats in there as well. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.